Okay, let's go with potato type number 2 today. Welcome back to the channel. These are Russet Goldrush. Gonna have to do some explaining here. You can see that there's a lot of weeds. Next year, one of the main goals is going to have to be cutting an edge around both veggie plots here and the shady plot. Keep a border cut along here. And because this is the only way to keep that grass out. As I've said in previous videos, they send out really long runners, and the stinging nettles, they're just as bad. And because they're stinging nettles, I'm going to have to use these to pull up all the weeds first. Then we'll dig the potatoes. This is a root stout / no dig style thing that I started 2 years ago. The first year I didn't get a great harvest. Last year I got a good harvest, so I'm expecting it to be better again this year. The potato plants that are still alive may be volunteers from where the other potatoes are planted here, in which case they will probably be Norland Reds. I have this along due to the amount of roots that will be from those stinging nettles and grasses. One. Oh, there they are. They are extremely netted. These are the type that they use for French fries usually. See, I'll have to go through this bed with the digging fork and take out all these roots. This operation might take a while. This is going okay. I think I'll turn off the sound and put some music on, and while I finish digging up the rest of these. See, as I said, one of the Norland Reds. See, it's mostly just organic matter there. Very little soil actually. So I was able to dig through it and get most of the grass and stinging nettle roots out of there. And this is what we got out of this bed. So I'll get a bucket now and we'll weigh what's in each bed. Now I've placed all the potatoes in the bucket. And it doesn't look like I got a great amount there. So the black arm tells where it went to. So we got 20 pounds. So I got the potatoes dug and the perennial roots removed at the same time, so that's good. I just have to level this out now and I can put some compost on top and it's ready for next year. And as you can see, I had some Northern Reds among the batch. More in this one. Not as much as I thought it might be though, 26 pounds. I'll just let them lay there now for a while to dry off, and later today I'll put them in a sack and put them in the cellar. So, but what do we have? We had 26 pounds and 20 pounds, so that's 46 pounds. This is video number 2 of 2020 harvest videos. I will have a playlist of all the videos, and apples will be the next one, and then we'll continue on from there. It's September the 30th, so even though it's 26 degrees today, when the weather changes back, I think it's going to come back cold with a vengeance. So I'm going to take my time and just go through the harvest now and take everything up. I hope you found it interesting. Please leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.